Hey guys, Linux here today with another video, and today I'm just playing a random game of, you probably know what this is called. Well, I've just been in war with some random Pokemon that just died, and I'm just gonna I don't know, do random stuff. I'm just gonna send an army of shiny Delphox. Don't no. I'm not ready. I'm not ready. No! Stop! 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 Yeah, go away, go away. Go. Yeah, that's what I thought. You know what? I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back. I'm gonna get the rocket launcher. Not one thing. Thank you. Now I can just wait till they come out. Oh god, oh! Get away! Why are they immortal? They're literally immortal. Thinking yesterday, no. I don't know what happened yesterday. I'm undoing them. Yes. You know what else I'm gonna do? I'm gonna like call out some pigeons. Yeah. I'm just gonna go to the place I love to go to in this game. I literally love to go to this place. Okay, let's go. Gosh, I killed everyone. I killed my whole team with just some cameras. So these were all my people. Yeah, I'm a Marshadow right now. I don't care. This is my family of pigeons. They have no clue of what they were meant to do in life. But they are doing what they are meant to do in life. Just, yes, these are my pigeons. They love to do what they love to do. I need to spawn some medics. And I forgot that I don't have medics, because they all know they're gonna kill me. So I'm gonna spawn you 2 medics. Yes, one more. Heal me. Heal me. Die, because you didn't heal me. And I'll kill you too. Marshall is the best at holding pistols. My pigeons are still here. I definitely didn't kill so many people. This is what you get. You don't feel you're my servants, and you were holding grenades. You both were. All of you were. Not that one though. No, that. Oh, they weren't grenades. They weren't grenades. They were just health thingies. I just killed my whole team for no reason now. Give me your stuff. Oh, it's not. Give me your stuff. It's not working. I'm just gonna pick up some pistols. If I can find any. Whee! Oh yeah, I started a new game because they all died in the breaks and crashed the game. That's basically breaks his fault. Alright, let's go spawn that stupid camera that killed my whole team. Forgot to play Scoop as well. And I gotta get some RPGs. Alright, that's enough. Alright. Now recording with the magic I'm breathing. Magical power of H. None of my team are here because they all died. They all died. I hate my team. They all died. I don't care. I seriously. If you could like pick up the sun or something. Wait, this sun's glitching. Really? The sun's there, now it's not. The sun's there, now it's not. Okay, let's keep on going. So basically, I will kill anyone. So I'm gonna get my SMG out, and we're gonna kill some people. And there's no one in the game, so I'm just gonna shoot somewhere randomly. Hope that life lives. I think I've hurt myself. Great, let's go spawn in some people. NPCs. An enemy. I need to use H, because I will kill you. I don't care. I think I've run out of bullets already. You got terrible at throwing bombs. You hear that? You are terrible at throwing bombs. You are terrible. You hear me? You are terrible. I don't care. We're not Henry, why does all... Okay, I'm gonna use a crossbow. Haha, that's what you get. Marshall is the best with crossbows. I forgot to go to the place. Even though I've never seen Marshall hold a pistol with a crossbow. Oh, my pigeons are still here. I killed my baby! They will die now. They'll die in my round. I don't care. Yeah, you evil pigeons. I don't care about you no more. You will die. Okay, 26 ammos left. I hope there's no more pigeons. Woohoo! There's no more pigeons. Oh, got health. Thingy. This thing only heals me by 10. I'm gonna change characters. I'm gonna play as Zorok again. I'm gonna kill myself. I hope I've seen it. I forgot about the camera. The camera's still there. And if the camera's still there, then I can record myself. I'm a flying Zorok. In fact, this is actually no clip where you could just fly through anything. I could just fly through this wall right now. See, I just did something. I can fly through oh, it's too white. I could fly through anything. But if you get stuck in somewhere, you're stuck in there. That's why you have to use whatever thing you use just to no clip to get out. So that's why I'm a stupid Zorak. I'm gonna spawn a Hooper. Yeah, you're my pet. You freaking Hooper. Now it's going to follow me for the rest of it. Why does it look so creepy? I'm in a body of dead bodies. I'm in a body of dead bodies. I'm in a place of dead bodies, that's what I mean. This door, I spawned another one. I was meant to use the physics gun to get rid of it. Okay, let's go kill you with the RPG. Okay, RPG. Let's kill them all with RPGs. Die. What the heck? I killed my own children again. I don't care. If they're dead, they're dead. I don't care. I literally don't care about anything in this game. If they're dead, they're dead. So that's why you shouldn't play Garry's Mod with me. I will literally kill you. I definitely didn't kill myself. Definitely 100% didn't. Because if I did, I'd be done. And I'm gonna do it again. I didn't even get time to bring it into the sky. What the heck? What the heck are wrong with you pigeons? You pigeons are demented. You demented pigeons. You were doing this with the seagulls and crows yesterday. You demented pigeons. Wait, let's do it again. 5. Definitely didn't get stuck in the ground. Okay, I'm being a different character. I'm probably gonna kill myself again as Marshadow. Because I love playing as Marshadow. What was I gonna do again? Don't know. 5. Not yet. Not yet. Watch me die. Moving a bit. Oh, I missed. Oh. I missed again. I'm such the worst. Let me spawn in some RPGs. Okay, let's go. I love killing myself in this game. Now I'm playing as Marshadow again. Marshadow, you could say, I'm gonna create a war. So, if I'm gonna use female Lugia, because I don't care. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 against enemy female Lugia. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm gonna get out of this battle and just watch them fight. Stop! This way. We're moving in. Yep. Yeah, I didn't care. No! Stop! Kill them! Kill them! Yeah. So we have the hosts just about to kill each other. And I could just see some guy. Just kill that. That guy died too. Okay, outside, let's go. No! Yes. Yeah, we got one more left. Okay, now I'm going to end this video. Goodbye, people.